Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having. And we are having high impact news throughout the day, and we are having a high impact news in USD at 7 p.m. and a medium impact news is at 8:15 p.m. So be cautious even at 8:15 p.m. since it is a news all day, so it can spike up even in the medium impact news. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price had been reacting from this FVG over here, and we are currently within this candle's range, though the price is having FVG over here too into the monthly levels. But currently the bias is still not clear. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, we can see that the price is reluctant even to take the external liquidity and responded back into the downward side. So I consider this as a weak move overall. So let's move to the dailies to see a clear perspective of what is happening inside these candles. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that the price is not having any kind of FVG in this move. So I'm not anticipating any hold in this move over here, and we can possibly see a fall till the lower ranges, or most likely this low will go. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, we can see that there is no FVG at this range and the price is falling. I mean, though there is no unmitigated FVG in overall range and the price is falling down. So I'm anticipating that most likely this low will go too. So I'm bearish in the market right now. So let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hours, we can see that the price was reluctant here and tried to sweep the lows, but it failed to go higher. And from here, the price moved into the downward side. So this is why this is my invalidation zone, because we closed below this candle's low. So I'm anticipating that most likely this is our invalidation zone and we are going all the way down. So let's move to the 30 minutes to define our today's bias. So it was the FVG of 1 hour and the price, and this is the Asia session. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly move into the further downward direction, most likely this extreme low, and we are going to respect this FVG and this invalidation zone if we go into the further lower direction. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating either we are going to take the Asia high or we are going to respond from this FVG and then move into the further downward direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.